Hey up folks, it's the 7th of February 2023 and I'm doing an unboxing. I've cut the box open, as you can see. I have had some of the stuff out to have a look. Right, okay, first of all there's a camera bag. Nikon. Yeah, Nikon camera bag. Put that there by Di. There's Diane, look, she wants to be in on it. Right now, here we've got a Canon DW100. And it is a exactly, let's have a look and go. Oh. A DVD writer, DVD rewriter. RDL, right, okay, that's all boxed up nicely. Won't be using that though. Right now, this is a Canon microphone with a windsock. I just got it out the box. Look, there we go. Take the windsock off. There's the microphone, made by Canon. Oh, hang on, bear with me. Also, in the microphone box, there's another Otshu adapter there, which is good. And this, in this box, is a wide angle lens. Wide angle conversion lens, sorry. Right. Right. The lens is made by Raynox or Nock. Raynox, I think it is actually. Right, that's that. HD 7000 Pro. Right, and the main thing. Right, let me just get it out of the box. Right, the main thing is this Legria HFS 21, made by Canon, and it's a camcorder, and it's to replace the one that I broke last week. The one I broke last week was the one down from this, the HF 21. Right in here you've got 1, There's one. That's a power brick. And a single battery charger. Power lead. Quick guide instructions. And there we've got another power lead. What's this? Oh, and this is a cover for when the battery's out of the camera. Right, and here we go. There's a camera itself, look. It's got an extended life battery on it, and it came with another one which is on charge. So yeah, that's the unboxing of my new second-hand Canon Legria HFS 21 camcorder. Okay. Oh, and there's one last thing. Let's just place all them back in there. Put the power leads in there. And there's that ring there. I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's something to do with that lens I showed you earlier on. Right, and this was the last thing I was going to show you. The previous owner has printed off an in-depth instruction manual for the camera, which will come in useful, I'm sure. Alright then folks, I'll leave it at that, and I'll catch you again soon in another one. Bye for now.